Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two marketplace platforms, which is Flippa and acquire.com. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Flippa in 2025 is a go-to marketplace for buying and selling a wide varieties of online business, from starter sites and blog to SaaS and e-commerce stores. It's beginner friendly, has a huge buyer traffic, and gives seller quick exposure, but quality control can be hit or miss. So with the plenty of low value or poorly documented listing, plus listing and success fee that can add up very fast. So talking about acquire.com, meanwhile focus mainly on higher quality vectored business with verified financial and the professional processes like NDAs and ICRO. It's more trusted and secure, making it attractive for serious buyers and sellers. The trade-off is fewer budget-friendly listing, higher valuation, and a premium subscription cost for buyers. So if you want a varieties and accessibility, Flippa is better. And if you want equality and credibility, acquire.com is the smarter pick in the aspect. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.